Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make these face masks, DIY style. Take it off so you guys can hear me. It's being recommended that we are covering up with a mask of some sort when we go out if you have to. So I'm going to show you how to make a simple one out of things you already have at home. All right, let's get to it. So, simply using just a sort of fabric that you have. I actually just cut out an old t-shirt, used it to make a square, and simply some hair ties. You can use rubber bands if you have them. A bandana would work great. If you want to insert a piece of flannel into it, that'll stick to a cotton blend if you want to have that filter. So I'll show you simply kind of how to fold it up into a way that will cover up our face when we do need to go outside. Simple no-sew tactic. Okay, here we are. Okay, so it's really pretty simple. And this way you'll be able to throw it in the wash when you're done and need to reuse it. All right, so I've cut out my square piece. All right, and depending on the size of your square, how you fold it may kind of change up a little bit in as far as how much you want the width to be. So you can, if you wanna just fold it in half once and then maybe twice, all right, and do it that way. Or if you want to be able to flex it a little bit for more front coverage, you can fold it, all right, a little bit towards this way. Both sides are a little bit even in that center, all right, and then you can flip it. All right, kind of do that again. All right, and then this way it'll kind of give some flexibility and give to how wide you need it. All right, and for me, I kind of really stretched out my hair bands, but even so, I just combined two together, so it really reached around my ears. If you need to do it that way, these simply go together when you put one in through the other and pull. All right, makes it a little bit longer. All right, so I'm gonna simply put one on one end. All right, so this one here will go around my ear. All right, and I'm gonna fold that side in. All right, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. All right, and fold that in. So you can kind of play around with how wide you need it to be and adjust it to fit kind of the size of your head and whatnot. If you find it's not really staying, you can even kind of safety pin these down a little bit, fold them in even a little bit more so that way you kind of have a little bit more room just to breathe and it's not so heavy. If you have little safety pins, you could simply kind of stick those down around like that, okay? But pretty much you're gonna just fold it into that rectangle shape, all right, and fold these in however kind of see fit. Just kind of depends on the material you have, all right? And then I'm simply gonna wrap them these part around my ears so that my face gets covered. All right, and there you have it. Covering my respiratory hair, nose and mouth. Definitely not the prettiest thing to have to wear out, but it'll definitely keep you safe if you have to. All right, so I hope that helps you guys. Definitely stay safe and happy Saturday. All right, see you next time. Bye.